Hey guys, Alex here today. I'm wearing the same outfit that I did because I'm recording a couple videos today, and so I am here to talk to you guys. So I know a lot of YouTubers have there's the Sky Squad, and then there's the Sky Army, and yeah, basically just every YouTuber has a name for their people who watch. So I thought I would do that too. So you all might know my name, but you all know my YouTube name too, Lovebug. So. Oops, my hand, I'm sorry. So I thought I'd be calling you guys Love Bugs. No, sorry. Love Crew. Because my YouTube name is Lovebug for a reason, because I am a really mostly caring person, unless you get on my bad side, and then things don't go well with us, so. Girl, you better watch it. So, I love you guys, and please like, comment, and subscribe. This was pretty short video, so please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later, love crew. Bye.